I'm Michelle Wilson with First Team Real Estate. Welcome to 407 El Vuelo, my newest listing in the Ocean View community of Harbor View in Rancho San Clemente. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home offering over 2,600 square feet. Come take a look. It's a gorgeous property. So the first thing people notice when coming into these homes is the amazing tall 2-story ceilings. Lots of drama and also lots of light because of the abundant number of windows. So the house is flooded with natural light all year round. I'm standing in your formal living room space, which also has windows to the front, and you've got great views of the lush landscaping that this house features. So we're standing in your new dining room, a formal dining room space with lots of room. This table is a smaller table, but it will hold a much larger table. And the wood flooring that you see runs the entire home up the stairs through all of the bedrooms. There's also a double door French door exit to your backyard, which is fabulous for when you have guests and you want to have indoor-outdoor living. So your new kitchen is fresh and white with crisp cabinetry, tile counters, double ovens, and a huge walk-in pantry. It also opens right up to your family room for open living space. So your family room is very spacious and features a cozy fireplace, opens to your backyard as well. There's not even very much lights on in this house right now because there's so much natural light here in the property. So the house stays happy and light feeling all year long. On the lower level is a downstairs bedroom or office space. It's a very large room. Another hallmark characteristic of the J.M. Peter homes is the large bedroom spaces that you get, not only with the master, but with all of your guest rooms. Currently, this room is being used as an office, but it makes a great guest room because just down the hall, we're going to go see a full bathroom and your laundry space as well. So just down the hall, we have a full bathroom with a walk-in shower. Also, you have your laundry on the lower level with a wonderful storage space area, lots of cabinetry, a folding area. And at the end of the hallway is your 3-car garage, and your garage space is 3 cars across, very deep and lots of storage space. Let's go upstairs and check out the master and the other guest rooms. So at the top of the stairs is the double door entrance to your master suite, which features vaulted ceilings and again, lots and lots of windows for a light and bright feel. The wood flooring that I talked about before runs throughout the upstairs level. And your master suite is generously sized and features a dual sink vanity, separate toilet area, soaking tub, walk-in shower, all finished in crisp white cabinetry. Again, the wood flooring and a fabulous huge walk-in closet, another hallmark feature of the J.M. Peter homes. Let's go take a look at the guest rooms. So coming down the hallway, another great feature is that the hallway is nice and spacious. Tons of space for linen storage. And your 2 bedrooms are at the front of the house while your master is at the back, a nice split floor plan. And here again, we are in a guest bedroom that has plenty of space. Big oversized rooms, nice tall ceilings, lots of space for guests, maybe a couple of bunk beds even. Let's take a look at the other guest room. This one's right at the front of the house. Another generously sized room, and it features a walk-in closet as well. Both of these bedrooms are served by a hall bath. Let's go take a look at that. So your hall bath features an oversized vanity, and it's a split plan. So that means that your tub and toilet area are separate, making it very convenient for 2 people to be here doing things at the same time. We've seen the house. Let's go take a look at the yard space. So here's your new backyard. You know, homes in San Clemente are not known for their large yard space, but this one actually has a really nice yard space to it. You've got plenty of seating area, patio space for entertaining family and friends, and you've got tons of grassy area as well. This is actually a pool-sized yard, so you have that option. And it's completely private as well, which makes it super nice when you are entertaining friends and family. My clients raise their 2 boys here. The home's on a cul-de-sac location, so with this great yard space in your cul-de-sac location, it's the perfect place for family and friends and lots of new memories. Thanks for taking the tour with me today. I'm Michelle Wilson. If you've got questions about this home or any others in Orange County, give me a call. We'll see you next time.